Good morning, students of class 8. Previous class we have done exercise 6a we have completed, and I have explained how to multiply two monomials. That example I have explained. Today we will learn multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. Monomial means one term and polynomials means more than two terms. Two terms or more than two terms. So here see that this example I am explaining 5a square b square into this. This is a polynomial and this is a monomial. So how we have to multiply this? Just we have to split it. This into this minus this into this plus this into this. So on that way we have solved. See that on that way it is done. Or direct you can take plus sign, and then if you have take plus sign, then you can do 5a square b square into 3a square plus 5a square b square into minus 4ab plus 5a square b square into 6b square. If minus sign you are taking with the number, then all this sign will plus, or direct you can do. So it's coming 15 a square means a to the power 4 and b square minus plus minus minus 5 4s are 20, a square and a means a cube, b square into b means b cube, 5 in plus 5 into 6 30, a square it is, and b square into b square means b to the power 4. So same terms means power will add, you know the rules how you have to multiply. Now multiplication of two binomials, that we will explain in exercise. Already this type of sums are there. Exercise 6b. In class 7, when you have done the multiplication of two binomials, you have applied row method or column method. Any method you can apply, no problem. Row method or column method. So question number 14 I have done in row method, because for this sum row method will be the easy method, but you can apply the column method also. In example sums there are many sums are there, column methods and row methods in that methods. So I am explaining the sum x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 into x plus 1 by x. So how you have to split? X to the power 4 this into this plus 1 by x to the power 4 into this. That distributive law we have to apply. On that way we have to solve. Now x to the power 4 into this plus 1 by into this. Now we have to split this bracket. X to the power 4 into x plus x to the power 4 into 1 by x, correct? Plus 1 by x to the power 4 into x plus 1 by x to the power 4 into 1 by x. Now x means x to the power 1, so in all places I have put it 1. Now x to the power 4 into x to the power 1, bases are same, so the power will add. X to the power 4 plus 1, it's coming. Here denominator x to the power 1, that means x to the power 4 divide x to the power 1, so power will minus 4 minus 1. Here x to the power 1 minus 4, and here in the denominator both x are there, so that's why I have written x to the power minus 4 and x to the power minus 1, because these two powers will go in numerator, so it will come minus sign. So here it is coming x to the power 5 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 1 minus 4 means x to the power minus 3 plus x to the power minus 5. So x to the power 5 plus x to the power 3, x to the power minus 3 means 1 by x to the power 3, and x to the power minus 5 means 1 by x to the power 5. So this sum is complete. Now I have done question number 26. Question number 26 I have done in column method, because here three terms are there, so it will be easy to solve column methods, because row method if we will apply many steps we have to do. Here within short steps we can complete that. So how we have to do that two expressions I have written, and when we are multiplying from left side we have to start first with x square. First with x square we have to multiply 9x square. So it's coming 9x to the power 4. Before nothing means plus sign is there. So plus minus minus, x square into x means plus minus minus x cube, then plus 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 15x square. Left side first we have to give cross, and then minus x we have to take, minus x into 9x square, so it's coming minus 9x cube. So below x cube we have to write minus 9x cube. Like terms we have to arrange in column. Then minus x into minus x means minus minus plus x square. So below 15x square, 1x square written. Then plus minus minus 15x. Then again we have to give cross sign below this. And then with minus 1 we have to multiply. 9x square into minus 1 means minus 9x square. Then minus minus plus x into 1 means 1x. Then plus minus minus 15 into 1 means minus 15. Then you know that these three steps you have to add. So minus 15 plus 1 means minus 14x. Here 15 plus 1 16, 16 minus 9 7x square. Here nothing means 1 I can put. So minus 1 minus 9 minus 10x cube and 9x to the power 4. So on that way you have to do the multiplication. Or if you want to apply the row method, you can apply it. Okay. Now we are going division of monomial by a monomial. Exercise 6C. Question number 1, number 4 I have done. That is division of monomial by a monomial. So what is the term is there? Minus 56 mnp square by 7 mnp. You have to divide. So I have divide sign I have given here by, and I have written on that way. So 7 and 56 will cut. I have cutted it. And there is no power means 1 is there. That's why I have put it 1. Now it's coming minus 8 m to the power 1 by m to the power 1. So power will minus 1 minus 1. N to the power 1 by n to the power 1 means n to the power 1 minus 1. And p square, that is p means p to the power 1. So p to the power 2 minus 1. Minus 8 m to the power 0, n to the power 0, p to the power 1. Some number to the power 0 means 1 we know. And these are in multiply. So what we have written, minus 8 into m to the power 0 means 1. N to the power 0 means 1 and p to the power 1 means p. So it's coming minus 8